how you can use the dry brush filter to create all kinds of painter effects in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Got this image, make certain it's selected, then go to Filter and down to Filter Gallery. Select that, go to Artistic and Dry Brush. With Dry Brush, you can then modify the brush size and you can reduce it down. It doesn't have much of a painter effect there, but if you push it up to 10, it really looks a very painter-like effect. Also, you modify the brush detail, reduce it down. Maybe not so effective. Push it up to 10, you get again a far more painter effect. Also, texture, you can reduce that down and it's a lot flatter, I think. So I'm just going to push it up to 3 and click OK. In this way, it's a one-click effect, but you can combine it with other filters as well as itself to create even more unusual designs. So go to Filter and Filter Gallery. Again, with this set, just go down the bottom and there's a little plus. You can click it 4 or 5 times. More times you add it, slightly gets slower. So click there a few times and you can vary the settings between each of these. So you can select one, modify the setting, select that one, modify the setting. But I'm going to go with this. I've got 4 of them and click OK. And now you've got quite an extreme, unusual painter effect with that image. You can also go to Edit and Fade Filter Gallery, and that fades the dry brush effect. You can change the opacity, reduce it down so it's more of the image, or 100%, or maybe go with Darken, or Lighten, or Overlay, and click OK. You can also combine it with other filters. So go to Filter and Gaussian Blur, just use a very low setting. And you've got this blurred image. Then go to Filter and again Filter Gallery, or just go down to the Filter Gallery here and apply it. And you get even more abstract painter-like effect in Photoshop. At this point you can go to Image and just do Adjustments and maybe go with Vibrance and just boost this up and Vibrance as well and click OK. That was a destructive effect, but you can also do it non-destructive. So with this image, just go over to Layer and down to Smart Objects and Convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter and down to Gaussian Blur if you want to apply the blur effect first. Click OK and you can now see your smart filter. Then go to Filter and Filter Gallery and then use exactly the same settings or change them and then click OK. And now the effect can be modified at any point. Also, you can go over here and you can double click here to change the blending mode. Maybe go instead of normal, go with darken or with lighten and so on and click OK. That creates an interesting smudge effect very quickly in Photoshop. Hope you found this of interest. If you've got any questions about the dry brush filter, please let me know in the comments below. Also, a like or dislike, always appreciated. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Always add new tutorials about Photoshop, etc. all the time. Bye.